All right. The R18 has been running for about half an hour. I don't know if it's out of fuel, but I have to go in and get some other stuff done. I am really excited that it started up by hand today. So that's pretty cool. I hadn't planned on hand starting it, but I forgot the drill when I was hauling stuff out to the garage here. So it's real nice to find out that the R18 went from all the ignition problems and the short and all those things to and the weird little air gap in the intake elbow there to being able to hand start it. That's really nice. I'm glad I got it to that situation, and it was nice to take it on a quick run tonight.